Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Home Assistant and revoke Nabu Casa access, complete guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Home Assistant, start by accessing your server or device where Home Assistant is installed. If you are using a Raspberry Pi, connect to it via SSH or open a terminal session directly. For other installations, ensure you have the necessary access to the operating system. Next, stop the Home Assistant service to ensure there are no running processes. You can typically do this by running the command sudo system to stop Home Assistant. Once the service is stopped, proceed to uninstall Home Assistant. The command will depend on how you installed it. If you use Docker, type docker stop Home Assistant followed by docker rm Home Assistant. In a Python virtual environment, navigate to the environment folder and deactivate it with deactivate. Next, delete the virtual environment directory using the command rmrf/path/ to /your/virtualenv. If Home Assistant was installed using pip, you can remove it with pip uninstall Home Assistant. Now that Home Assistant is uninstalled, it's time to revoke access to Nabu Casa. Go to the Nabu Casa website and log in using your account credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the account section in the dashboard. Look for the option labeled Home Assistant Cloud or Nabu Casa. In this section, you will find an option to disconnect Home Assistant or remove your subscription. Confirm the action to revoke access. Finally, to complete the process, check for any remaining configuration files or folders on your system. These can typically be found in the config directory. Remove any leftover files by using the rmrf/path/ to /config command. You have now successfully uninstalled Home Assistant and revoked Nabu Casa access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.